We are happy to see you on our free Revit course for architects. The author is Alexander Vysotskiy, localizer for English, Anton Shumilin. Now briefly about our company. Vysotskiy Consulting is based on three things. They are BIM consulting, publication of free video trainings about BIM, like this course, and trainings at universities. We have many different statuses like authorized training center, authorized academic partner, BIM leader Russia, leader in Autodesk Navisworks trainings in Russia. Our customers are both Russian and international companies. On the official Autodesk website, you can observe success stories of our customers. Check the link below or use QR codes. Our basic tasks are BIM implementation, software training in Revit, Navisworks, BIM 360, Civil 3D and others, technical support, regulatory documents creation, and knowledge tests and exams. Except consulting services, there are also trainings for universities. We have created unique course which helps to develop Revit skills, from teamwork up to Naviswork and 4D modeling, Dynamo, families and others. This is the most advanced BIM course among Russian universities. It has been described in the article in English, so by the link you can download Model of the City. The course is being held in collaboration with AECOM, IBS and others international companies. That is what we reached within last year's huge city. Our students work in this project, so there are no analogs of this city in BIM. So, what about the studying course? It's prepared by Vysotskiy Consulting team. It's totally free of charge. We just try to share our experience. Participants are author Alexander Vysotskiy, author of adaptation Anton Shumilin, Olga Korshunova, course coordinator, she managed process in general, Anastasia Gorda, course manager, she was involved in materials processing. Then, what is the course about? We'll tell you about navigation and main tools, AutoCAD import, mass modeling, areas, levels and grids, shared coordinates, modeling the buildings, view setup and annotations, schedules, renderings, Dynamo principles, sheets. So, in the course we try to share our work experience, but because of the amount of work and forces we spend, the course will be published by modules, and for us it's very essential to have a feedback from you. All contacts are provided in here, so in case you have any question about the course or you want to propose some cooperation or you're required in BIM consulting, don't hesitate to contact with us. So, have a good studying.